Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're turning freshly picked apples into naturally sweetened homemade applesauce using maple syrup. This simple, pure recipe is perfect for snacks, baking, or canning, and it's free of refined sugars. My family and I went out on a foraging adventure last weekend and we found some ancient apple trees, and these apples are the ones we are going to use today to make our applesauce. We had so much fun making all sorts of new memories and learning new things about the power of nature. So start by peeling, coring, and dicing about 4 pounds of apples using a mix of sweet and tart varieties like Honeycrisp, Fuji, and Granny Smith to give a good balanced flavor. Once your apples are prepared, place them in a large pot. Add half a cup of water, your choice of a 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup or honey, and a tablespoon of lemon juice to brighten the flavor. Stir everything together, cover the pot, and let the apple simmer over medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. You'll know the apples are ready when they are soft and start to fall apart, filling your kitchen with the cozy scent of simmering apples. For chunky applesauce, mash the apples right in the pot using a potato masher. For a smoother texture, use an immersion blender or a regular blender until it reaches your desired consistency. Add a touch of cinnamon if you'd like, and taste it to see if it needs any additional maple syrup or honey to sweeten it to your liking. If you are not going to be canning your applesauce, let it cool before transferring it into your jars. If you're canning it, you want to place the applesauce in your jars while it is still hot. You can keep it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks if you are not canning it. This naturally sweetened applesauce is a delicious, wholesome treat for any time of the year. Whether you're enjoying it on its own, pairing it with breakfast, or using it in your favorite recipes, it's sure to be a hit. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos.